fan of Carl Sagan, so this is called A Mote of Dust. A mote of dust suspended in a sunbeam, said Sagan in a speech on his show as he showed us the smallest we had ever seen. The phrase means little to those who are so sure that they already know everything about how the world turns. But these people will never know why the cosmos ignores their every attempt to take her out for coffee just to get to know her better. From a mote of dust suspended in a sunbeam. View the night and see for years. To the eyes of those who looked, it is a vast chasm punctuated with light like diamonds in the ceiling of an unfathomably high cave, sealed and quickly running out of oxygen. But to those who see, it is an ocean of bleak and uncaring beauty that mirrors early Earth. Only this time, instead of life and change in the water, there's light and 14 billion years of time to evolve. Which group briefly left a mote of dust suspended in a sunbeam? The earliest people thought that the sky was a dome, an impenetrable structure beyond which there was only water and God, and they learned what they could from it. But we shattered it. We tore down the firmament like this was frickin' Berlin. We didn't just touch the face of God, we stared deep into its eyes before we kissed the sky, and we liked it. We cut through the canvas of a starry night, but there was no wall to hang it up on. The only thing behind it was everything. And we did it from a mote of dust suspended in a sunbeam. And it is an ordinary sun in a typical spiral galaxy, in a local group, in a supercluster that could not give any less of a shit about anybody's imposition of some great universal structure, or even the fact that you're alive. As indifferent as the dark is to the generally underwhelming, or is it overwhelming thing we call existence, every atom that made it happen had to be in exactly the right place at exactly the right time to interact in events so small they can hardly be said to have happened. We are the result of the same physics that made every star and planet. Each of the 7 billion of us is a byproduct of the continuing tick of the universe's clock. But she's not going to hold your hand. Oh no, she won't show you the importance of a speck of carbon screaming our significance in a massive black sea. You are a small piece of the universe coming to know itself, coming to know what it means to be on a mote of dust suspended in a sunbeam. Thank you.